Jai Hind everyone. Today we have All India Best Cadet, Air Force, SW, Shakti Nilima Pawar. So let's get to know about her insights in RDC.
So I am Cadet Warrant Officer Shakti Nilima Pawar. I come from Maharashtra. I have been a national level hockey player and won a bronze medal. I also have a startup initiative selling artisanal ice creams. I'm also a part of Road Track Club of Pune Baner. And in my free time, I enjoy cooking and exploring different mediums of craft. And I aim to join the forces as my final aim in life.
So share us about your NCC journey and how you have joined it and what gave you the motivation to be a part of RDC.
So the driving force behind joining RDC as one of the camps that I could do was my mother, because she has done RDC 38 years ago. So I have been hearing about RDC all my life. So I was very keen on knowing what exactly lies behind this 30-day long camp, and that is the reason I chose the RDC camp.
That's very nice to know. So getting into your journey, what do you think some of the are the best qualities you have learned from your fellow best cadets, or the ones you have met here in RDC who are All India Best Cadets?
I think one significant quality is that everyone is very unique, and every cadet that I have met here, especially best cadets, because those are the ones that I've interacted most with during my pre-camps as well. I think everyone embraces the unique identity they have, and this is one very significant thing that I think everyone should learn, that you don't have to be like someone else. You can be you, and you have to learn to embrace yourself.
So you have been part of several extracurricular events in the RDC camp, like you've been an MC and you've also been a briefer at the Air Force Museum. So I'm pretty sure you have interacted with a lot of officers.
Yes.
And what's one common quality that you have noticed in all of them?
I think all the officers have a lot of knowledge, and one thing that you will never understand what kind of knowledge level any officer holds until you interact with them. And everyone brings something or the other to the table. And every officer that I have come across in these past 30 days has taught me something or the other, because as you mentioned, I was a part of various different events. And all the officers that I interacted with came from very different backgrounds. From horse show MC, where officers were from R&B background, to ladies meet and Air Force Museum briefing. I met a lot of fighter pilots, I met transport pilots, helicopter pilots, and being from Air Force, that was something that was always a driving factor for conversation with them. So one thing that I noticed between all of them is that they're very humble and they know what knowledge they have.
Yeah, moving on to the next question. During your pre-RDCs or when you were in IGC, what were some of the key personalities who were there, and what were their suggestions or their what was the guidance that they have given you, whether it be officers or maybe even PI staff or ANOs? What actually led you here, and what's one suggestion you will always take it from them?
When it comes to the people who have mentored me, a special mention to my seniors, one of who was also the best cadet last year, Khushi ma'am and Vedant sir, because they are the reason why I'm here today. They have played a very significant role in being there for me no matter what. Any time, any hour, they were always there for me to guide. My unit has played a very significant role. Even like any difficulty that came my way during the journey, they made sure that they found a solution for it. They helped me throughout, and they realized that they did their bit for me, and I think it was my responsibility to do my bit, and winning the baton is just a response to what I have gotten. I have to return that.
Okay, this is a different question. Have you ever envisioned yourself as an AIBC? Have you thought I will be here? Because there must have been a first day as you as a cadet, and when you got to know about RDC, have you envisioned yourself to be the All India Best Cadet, meet the Prime Minister and receive the baton from him?
It was initially very difficult to see myself standing here in front of the Prime Minister, but one thing that I made sure to always tell myself is that if you cannot dream about it, you cannot achieve it. And since then there is something that I did very significantly, is I had written it on my wall, that All India Best Cadet Warrant Officer Shakti Nilima Pawar, and that is what I lived for every morning that I woke up. And that probably helps you. I don't know, probably not everyone believes in manifestation, but I would like to put it more as a motivation that when you write something, you tend to be more driven towards it. Yes.
Well, I would like to ask you, as an entrepreneur, as an upcoming one, what do you think are some of the challenges that you have faced?
One challenge is at the age of 17, financing your entire business becomes a little bit of a task because you don't know how much money are you going to need. Because initially, when it was my first flea market, I did not know what type of a budget that I'm going to require. So I think financing and also logistics plays a very big role, because when I started my business, I just had a fridge. I had my house fridge, and that's all. Then it took me a lot of time to actually get into touch with other dealers who could actually store my ice creams on a large scale. So that was one major challenge for a 17-year-old to deal with.
That's how you manifest your dreams into reality.
Yes.
And my final question to you, what's the advice, a piece of advice you'll give to the upcoming RTC cadets and aspirants, especially for Best Cadet?
One thing that I would like to tell everyone is, there's a quote that I always lived by in the past 7 months. Be brave enough to be bad at something new, because till you don't try, you're not going to go ahead. So I would just tell all the cadets that be brave enough to be bad at something new, be brave enough to fail, and your success will follow.
That's the best piece of advice. So that's Shakti Nilima Pawar, All India Best Cadet, SW Air Force, signing off.